Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to give a quick review of the Mr.'s Louis Vuitton belt. He's had this belt for almost a year now. I actually bought it for him for his birthday back in July. So this is how it looks. I actually recorded this video and the sound was off. So please bear with me as I get it together. So the first thing is that I feel that this belt is holding up. A lot of women actually will purchase the male belt because the width is a lot thicker. So this is the belt. As far as the quality, I feel like this belt is definitely holding up. This belt is definitely holding up. He did purchase this. This belt is, let's see. This is one of the codes, and then he has another one. Well, this is like the Louis Vuitton sign, and then he also has the code right over here. We did not get this belt the exact size. We were told, especially if you plan on losing or gaining weight, you may want to get the belt a little bit larger. As you can see with the belt, he has it so that this is a 44, I believe. So he has it right in the center. That's the size that he typically wears. Right over here. He doesn't wear this belt every day, but he definitely does wear it a lot. He wears it, I want to say, a couple of times a week. What I like about this belt, I definitely would consider investing in this belt for myself. I didn't compare the widths to the female belts, but I do feel that I probably would go with the male belt because I do like the width of this. I feel that for the quality of the belt, he wears it a lot. And I do feel that as far as wear and tear goes, this belt is holding up very well. We can do like a little examination of the belt. So just based on everything, to me, there are very few imperfections. There are very, very few imperfections with this belt in my eyes, especially for how much he wears this belt. Very few imperfections. The only issue that an imperfection is like right here. I'm not sure if I can bring it to the Louis Vuitton store so they can clean it, or I've never tried to remove this. As far as the threading goes, there's very minimum issues with the threading. As far as this area right over here, he hasn't had any issues where I feel that it would need to be resealed or reglazed. If I had to get this belt for him again, would I get it? Yes. I think the quality definitely does speak for itself. This belt is holding up. Would I buy one for myself? Yes, I would purchase it for myself. Do I like this print? I do. Actually, I really, really do. I thought I would have I thought he would have perhaps went with the monogram, but he decided to go with this print, which I was really surprised about. I do think they have a couple of options with the buckle. Not sure if they had it in his size, but again, this is what he decided to go with. As far as the holes go, he, typically wears these between these three, and I don't see any issues with it. If you decide to purchase a belt, I will say that you do want to go with maybe a little larger size if you can. You don't want it to be right here. You want to maybe for it to be somewhere in the middle, just in the event that you do gain or lose weight, you have a little bit of wiggle room. I know I said that already, but the problem is that Louis Vuitton will not punch another hole in this belt for you. So if you lose a whole bunch of weight and you need to make this belt smaller, you are going to have to purchase a Louis Vuitton belt. And I mean, everyone's budget is different, but I just wanted to put that out there because you would think that you could send it off and the hole could be punched in. No, you have to purchase a new belt. For him to have this belt for almost a year, and as much as he uses it, like I said, I'm very impressed with the quality of this belt, how it's holding up against, he's not at all gentle with his stuff, and is definitely holding up. I don't see any imperfections as far as with the glazing going. I don't think it needs to be reglazed or resealed. As far as the threading goes, I don't see any issues with that as well. I think the threading and the glaze, the part that would have to be reglazed, is actually in really good condition. I can't think of any other questions. If you have questions for me, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. I just wanted to give a review because maybe I can get him on camera one day to share how he feels about his LV products. But I love them. Again, I haven't had any issues with them. As you can see, the glazing on both sides is definitely holding up for the 6 months that he has had this belt. And my baby's a big boy, so this belt is definitely getting used. And I don't see, like, you know how sometimes you have like a regular belt and like at some point the belt starts to like sink in at like the belt area. I haven't noticed any issues with that. Like the quality is like really good with this belt. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have an amazing day.